Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you that the Lord said, while you seek the earthly things, stop seeking it. Be contented in what you have. I don't want you to be ungodly. I don't want you to be greedy. Do not love the money. Love me more than the things of this earth. Is exalt me. Exalt me always in your life. I am your supplier. I am your provider. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.